In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset and pair your Creative Outlier Sports headset to your computer. So to set it in pairing mode, you need to press on the power button and hold it there until it is in pairing mode. So press and hold the power button. You'll see that the LED will blink blue and red, and if the headset is in your ears, you can hear that it is in the pairing mode. So next, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on our Windows computer. We'll add a Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth. It has discovered the outlier spots. Select that. And so this is how you do a quick reset and set the Creative Outlier Spots to pairing mode and pair it for use on your computer. You can now listen to music or do your Zoom or MS Teams calls using the Outlier Spots headset.